Today, you will learn how to search in PDF file in PC on Chrome. To open your PDF file in Google Chrome, right-click the file and choose Open With, then select Google Chrome. If Chrome is not listed, click Choose Another App, select Google Chrome from the options, and click either Just Once or Always. Once the document opens in Chrome, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click the three dots, hover over Find and Edit, and select Find. Alternatively, you can use the quick keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl and F together on a Windows PC or Command and F on a Mac. A small search box will appear at the top of your screen where you can type the word you want to locate. If the PDF contains standard digital text, Chrome will instantly highlight the words, and you can navigate between them using the small arrows inside the search box. If Chrome finds nothing, even though you can see the word on the screen, the document is a scanned image that the browser cannot read. You can quickly fix this by creating a fresh, searchable copy of the file directly inside Chrome. Press Ctrl and P together on Windows or Command and P on a Mac to bring up the Print menu. Look for the Destination drop-down menu and change it from a physical printer to Save as PDF or Print to PDF. Click the Save button, choose a storage location on your computer, and name your file. This action forces Chrome to build a readable text layer directly into the new document. When you open this newly saved PDF file, your search tool will function perfectly. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.